It's common to hear people say, I'm a Taurus, or I'm a Pisces. They're referring to their sun sign, the one they feel represents them best in the world. But what if I told you there's another key part of your astrological makeup that might actually resonate more with who you are when no one's looking? Let's talk about your rising sign, the one that doesn't show up in casual conversation, but is just as important, if not more. Your sun sign is how you express your core essence. It's who you are deep down, your identity, your vitality. It's what makes you feel alive. But your rising sign, that's how you project yourself to the outside world. It's your first impression, the mask you wear when you step into new situations. It's how people see you before they get to know your true self. So why does this matter? Because sometimes your rising sign might feel more like you than your sun sign, and that can be a little confusing. For example, someone with a Pisces sun might seem reserved or dreamy at first, but their Leo rising might have them walking into a room with confidence, energy, and a magnetic aura. Here's the thing, both signs are important and both parts of you are constantly working together. The sun is your foundation, your core, but the rising is how you navigate the world around you. Understanding the balance between these two can truly unlock a more complete sense of who you are. If you've ever wondered why you don't always feel like your sun sign, you're not alone. This is where astrology becomes layered and complex, and where the magic happens. So, are you ready to discover what your rising sign is really saying about you? So, next time someone asks you, what's your sign? And you hesitate, it's okay. The full picture of who you are goes beyond just the sun sign. It's the blend of the sun and rising, the cosmic dance that shapes your experience. Embracing both can help you better navigate your relationships, career, and your journey of self-discovery. So take a moment to reflect on both your sun and rising signs and see how they shape the way you show up in the world. There's a lot more to you than meets the eye.